Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. In this video, we will be learning how to approve videos on your YouTube Kids account. If you want your child to only watch videos you've personally approved, then follow these steps to set it up and approve content. First of all, open up the YouTube Kids app on your child's device. Now tap on the gear button at the top right corner and solve a simple math problem or enter your parental passcode. This will take you to the settings menu. Under My Kids tab, you will see the list of your kids' profile. If you have multiple kids' profile, you can select the one where you want to approve content on. Now enter your Google account's credential in order to get access to your child's profile. After you are done, click on Next. On the next page, tap on the Edit Settings under Content Settings. Now it'll take you to this Review Content Settings page where you need to select Approve Content yourself on the left. Now click on Select, click on the Start button and pick the videos you want to approve for your child. Tap the plus button in the video thumbnail or the channel's thumbnail and then click on Done. Right after you do that, you can then get back to the home page of YouTube Kids, and there you will be able to see the Approved For You category at the top, and your child can watch all of the approved contents on YouTube Kids that has been personally approved by you. You can always edit approved content by returning to the same settings. This feature ensures full control over what your child watches, and if you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe for more YouTube Kids tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.